it's Caroline
and Haley
from Caroline and Haley. So today we're going to be doing, we're going to be showing a good way to mash up your ramen. Here it goes. I'm going to have to tilt it like this. And I don't know if it's going to be on us because, yeah, I don't have a tripod, but I'm going to be getting one. I hope. Okay.
You can't even see me.
I'm sorry. What? No. Fine. Okay, good way to mash up your ramen. It's done. Stay on the camera.
Girl, you stink. Take a bath.
Girl, you're not to eat ramen. Oh, burn. Oh, my foot. Oh no, it's starting to break.
That's it all.
And this is how to mash up your ramen. Enjoy!
This is your true material.
And subscribe. Comment below what you think. Like it.